Melissa Vargas is a Cuban-born Turkish volleyball player who plays for Fenerbahçe Opet and the Turkey women's national volleyball team. She was a member of the Cuba women's national volleyball team and was part of the national team at the 2014 FIVB Volleyball Women's World Championship in Italy. Vargas was born in Cienfuegos, Cuba. Her father was a handball player. She began playing volleyball on the street at age 6 and joined her school's team at age 8. In 2021, she acquired Turkish citizenship. She was a member of the Cuba women's national volleyball team and was part of the national team at the 2014 FIVB Volleyball Women's World Championship in Italy. Since 2023, she has been playing in the Turkey women's national volleyball team. She started training for the Cienfuegos team at the age of 12, also played in the Cuban national youth volleyball teams. Vargas has limited international experience with Cuba, appearing in the 2014 FIVB Women's World Championship, 2015 FIVB Women's World Cup, and in 3 editions of the FIVB World Grand Prix. On 9 July 2024, she renewed her contract with Fenerbahçe Opet for 3 years. On 10 April 2021, the application made by the Turkish Volleyball Federation for Vargas to obtain citizenship of the Republic of Turkey was approved and President Recep Tayyip Erdogan presented Melissa Vargas with her tier ID card. She debuted with the team at the 2023 FIVB Volleyball Women's Nations League, where she played in 11 matches and won gold medal with the team. She was named MVP of the competition. At the 2023 Women's European Volleyball Championship, Vargas was once again named MVP after winning gold with Turkey.